Hey guys, Josh Zamora here with a very quick invitation to join me and HandFan for a very special launch we've got coming out on November 27th at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're going to be coming out with our very powerful web app called Sociible, which is going to allow your customers to set up fully automated social marketing campaigns without having to create any content themselves. Alright, they'll be able to leverage other people's content and use that to generate leads, generate affiliate sales, product sales, e-commerce sales, whatever it may be. They'll be able to use Sociible to set up these fully automated campaigns within a matter of minutes. Alright, we're going to have a full demo video right below this video on the page somewhere, so make sure you check that out. We're going to have all the resources you may need, as we do with every single launch. We're going to have bonuses, we're going to have a bonus page generator, and anything you may need, swipes, high converting swipes, an entire swipe sequence, and everything in between. You guys know that whenever I launch or HandFan launches, we put together everything that you should need to make it as simple as possible for you to generate sales. And this is going to be absolutely no different. We're also going to have our very powerful recurring income funnel, something that I've been doing for several years now, and it's just continued to work over and over and over again. HandFan has also adopted that model into his own launches and has added a ton of recurring to his launches as well, and we're combining that with this launch to ensure that you not only get paid now but get paid for a long time to come. So lock it in, November 27th at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We also have a ton of prizes that we're putting up for this launch, so make sure you check all of that out right below this video. And if you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out to me or HandFan, and we're more than happy to help you out. Hey guys, Josh Zamora here, and in this video I'm going to walk you through a quick demo video of our brand new Sociible web app, which is going to allow you to create fully automated social marketing campaigns in a matter of minutes by leveraging other people's authority content for unlimited hands-free traffic, leads, and profit in any niche. And it's going to allow you to do that without having to pay for ads, without any SEO, without needing a website, or without even needing your own hosting account. And we've made it as simple as following 5 simple steps. This is truly the most powerful and most automated platform you will see to generate all the free social traffic and sales that you need. So let's go ahead and jump right into this. Okay, step number 1 is to connect your social accounts. I've already gone ahead and connected my Facebook page, and what I'm going to do is just going to show you just how simple it is to add an account. So let's say I'm going to add a weight loss Twitter account. Click Twitter. We also have the ability for you to add these accounts to a specific group. This is going to allow you to do one of two things. Keep your different niche accounts separate. Okay, so if I have weight loss accounts, I'm going to put them in the weight loss group. And it's also going to allow you to post to multiple accounts simultaneously by having them in a group. Okay, and I'll show you how that works once we get to setting up the posting campaign. But having your accounts in a group allows you to do a lot more automation. So I'm going to go ahead and click add, and now follow the prompts to connect the Twitter account, which many of you have probably gone through this process before, which is simply clicking on authorize app. Now I'm going to be redirected back to the Twitter account, and you can see your account was successfully authenticated. I'm going to hit save, and now that Twitter account has been added. Okay, so now I'm ready to move on to step number 2, which is to input my target keyword and set up my content stream. So I'm going to come here, I'm going to click add a content stream. I'm going to go ahead and do weight loss content, and I'm going to do weight loss. And this is what's powerful about the built-in content engine. You'll be able to set up all of these campaigns without you ever having to write any piece of content yourself. You're just going to come in here, leverage this keyword engine here, click add, and now Sociible is going to allow you to find all the content you will ever need for your different accounts. Now we have 3 different options here. This is the content that was just populated based on those keywords. We have 3 options. We have the ability to add to a content bucket. So I'm going to do weight loss bucket, and now a content bucket is where we're allowed to do step number 3 of this process, which is to cherry pick the content that you'd like Sociible to start posting on your behalf. Okay, so we can cherry pick instead of using an entire stream. Okay, so this is an entire stream, which means that there is no filtering, there is no cherry picking. Once we get to the posting options, you're gonna have the option to post from a content stream or a content bucket. And again, the content stream, there is no filtering. All you do is input your keywords, and then it's going to allow you to just automatically post all of the content that comes through the content stream without you cherry picking, which is what I just did by adding it to the weight loss bucket. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add this one here as well. Most Americans spend way too much time sitting down. This is a great headline for Facebook and both Twitter to definitely generate some great traffic. This one as well can be very controversial. Now that I can only eat with a feeding tube, Thanksgiving has a new meaning for me. Click add. With that there, I'm going to go ahead and just go on to the next step. But before I do that, let me quickly show you how you can quick post this content as well. So if you want to come in here and just quick post, I can come here, click weight loss, post it. Let's say I want to do it on Thursday because one of them was talking about Thanksgiving. Let me go back and select that one actually. Here it goes, quick post. I'm just gonna go there. I'm gonna post it. Let's do Wednesday, okay, which is the day before Thanksgiving. And let's just do it in the afternoon time as well. Let's just do it right at noon, okay? Click post, and now that content is gonna be automatically posted to my account using the quick post option on the time that I selected. I can also block content that isn't relevant or I feel isn't relevant to my different accounts, and it will never be posted to my account. So now that I've done step number 2 and step number 3, which is inputting my content and setting up the content stream and cherry picking that content by adding it to a bucket, now we can move on to step number 4 to set up the desired posting schedule and connect my monetization strategy. Okay, so I'm going to click add a campaign. I'm going to go ahead and name this weight loss campaign. The group is the weight loss group. Posting mode, I'm going to choose bucket, which is again where I'm allowed to cherry pick the content. If I choose stream posting, then it would be all the content that gets returned back based on the keyword. So I just want to do a little bit of cherry picking for this particular campaign. I'm going to click bucket posting. The bucket that I created was the weight loss bucket. The limit type, let's say I want to do per day. Let's say I want 2 posts to go out for this account group each day. And let's say that most of my traffic for this page comes between 11 a.m. and 2 p.m. and also between, let's say, 6 p.m. and 9 p.m. Okay, so those 2 blocks of time where I want my content going out, which is, for example, the peak time of traffic for these 2 accounts. Now, the next step is to enable my monetization strategy. Okay, now this is by just clicking this, we enable the overlays, which allow me to add my monetization strategy to my content that's being posted. Okay, so here the post with overlays is going to allow you to select how many of the posts that are going out to your accounts have monetization tied to them. Okay, so let's go ahead and do 50% just so that one of the 2 articles that are being posted on my behalf each day has some monetization strategy tied to them. If you want it to be all of them, you can just put 100% here. Now the overlays to use, I've gone ahead and created a weight loss opt-in overlay, and I'm going to walk you through the overlays section here in a minute. But this is going to now start automatically building my email list in the weight loss niche, leveraging other people's content, and it's also going to automatically post all of that content for me. So I've just set up everything so that content is going out automatically, and it's going out on a time that I specified, and the monetization is happening automatically on one of every 2 of these postings that are happening every single day. Okay, so within a few minutes I set up a complete campaign, and here we also have the ability to enable our content artificial intelligence feature. This we're going to talk about in the one of the upsells, which will self-optimize these postings that are going out to ensure that I get the most traffic from the campaigns that are performing the best. Okay, so make sure you pay attention to that once you get to it. Very, very powerful feature that you'll be able to unlock there. But besides that, this entire campaign has been set up already. I click create, And now, just like that, within a matter of minutes, I set up an entire campaign where Sociible is going to automatically post content to my account twice a day. One of those 2 postings is going to have monetization tied to it, which is me building a list in that niche, and it's going to happen automatically twice a day for as long as I have it running. Okay, so complete automation for social media traffic based on other people's content without me ever having to write a single piece of content outside of just setting up the campaign, and without having to pay for ads, without having to do any SEO, without even needing a website. Okay, I did 0 website creation here. All right, and I didn't even need my own hosting account. Okay, everything is set up, content posting, monetization of that content without me ever having to do anything. Okay, so let me quickly show you how the overlays features work, since I already tied that to my campaign. Okay, but here I already have this one set up as I talked about before. I'm gonna go ahead and click edit, and you see this, for this particular overlay, I set up an opt-in form, and if I click display settings, it's gonna show up on the bottom right. It's gonna show up on the exit intent. Okay, now you have the option to select for it to show up as after a certain amount of seconds, once a certain percentage of the article is scrolled, if you want the close button to show up or not. You are in full control and can edit absolutely every single part of this form to change how it looks. You can change the background color, you can change the background image, you can do absolutely everything that you want, and you can automatically, of course, integrate your autoresponder in there. Okay, so you have full control of editing your overlay, and we also have built-in templates as well. So here we have the ability to add a bar to the bottom of the content, a pop-up, a notification, a full screen overlay, and even an Amazon overlay like you can see here, which is very, very powerful for monetizing these articles that are being posted on your behalf. And the Amazon monetization is very simple to do because we have it built in where you can add Amazon products to a specific campaign. So I can come here, and it's very simple to connect your affiliate account to Sociible as well. But let's see here, let's do health and personal care, and here we can search by keyword as well. So I'm going to click search, and within minutes, again, I can go ahead and add Amazon monetization to my campaigns as well. So each of these products here is automatically embedded with my affiliate link. So I could click add product, add product, add product, and then when I go ahead and set up my posting campaign, instead of doing an opt-in form, I can have it show up with these very targeted weight loss products for each of those pieces of content that I selected for that campaign. That is it. You can see just how powerful Sociible truly is. You can come in here and set up fully automated social marketing campaigns in a matter of minutes and set up absolutely everything, the content to be posted and the monetization to go along with that content within a matter of minutes. So go ahead and check out all the other features that we have right below this video, and make sure you pick this up during our charter member special. Thank you very much, and I look forward to seeing you in the members area.